Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike is an impressive blend of functionality and performance. With a 48V 20AH large removable battery, this bike offers a robust 960 Wh power capacity, allowing for longer rides without the constant worry of recharging. The battery can be easily removed, adding a layer of convenience for those who prefer to charge it indoors or transport it separately. One of the standout features of this bike is its powerful 1300 W peak motor. This motor provides ample torque and speed, making hills and rough terrains easily manageable. Riders can expect a smooth and exhilarating experience, whether commuting through the city or enjoying a leisurely ride on a weekend outing. The acceleration is quick and responsive, ensuring that riders can swiftly navigate traffic or travel at a comfortable cruising speed. The design of the bike supports two riders comfortably, making it perfect for couples or friends wanting to share the experience. The spacious seating and ergonomic handlebars contribute to a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue on longer journeys. The bike also includes a sturdy frame, which not only supports the weight of two adults but also adds to the stability and safety while riding. In terms of features, the bike is equipped with front and rear lights for enhanced visibility during nighttime rides. The disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, ensuring safety in various weather conditions. Additionally, the bike is fitted with a digital display that provides real-time information on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This feature is particularly helpful for planning trips and monitoring battery usage. Overall, the two-seater electric bike delivers a fantastic riding experience with its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and user-friendly design. It's a great investment for those looking to enjoy the outdoors or commute efficiently while minimizing their carbon footprint. Whether for leisure or practical use, this electric bike is a compelling option worth considering.